Did you know that on BenQ Interactive boards, you can instantly search information directly from anything written on the whiteboard? This powerful feature is called Lasso Search. Let's see how it works. First, open the PDF or Chrome browser or write any word, phrase or topic on the whiteboard. For instance, here I will write solar system. Now select the Lasso tool and wait for the message to initiate a circle. After this, simply draw a circle around the text or pictures you want to search. Once the content is selected, the Lasso search box appears. The board automatically displays relevant results. Teachers can quickly access images, information, and learning resources related to the selected topic. This helps educators instantly bring additional learning material into the lesson without switching devices. With Lasso Search on BenQ boards, educators can quickly find information, images, resources directly on the board and saves it on whiteboard. It is a simple yet powerful tool that makes teaching interactive, fast, and engaging.